These headlights look terrible, but in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to make them look brand new with a simple DIY method. Foggy headlights don't just make your car look old, they reduce visibility at night. The good news? You don't need an expensive kit to fix them. You only need toothpaste, the whitening type works best, a microfiber cloth water optional, masking tape. Simple items you already have at home. If you want extra protection for your car paint, tape around the edges of the headlight. This step is optional but recommended. Step 1. Squeeze the toothpaste directly onto the headlight. Start scrubbing. Step 2. Use a microfiber cloth and scrub in circular motions. Don't rush it. Take about 2 to 3 minutes per headlight. You'll notice the surface getting clearer as the toothpaste cleans off the oxidation. Step 3. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Wipe dry. And just like that, look at the difference. Clearer, brighter, and it took less than 10 minutes. If you want the shine to last longer, apply a thin layer of car wax afterward. It protects the surface and slows down future fogging. If you want more quick car DIY fixes like this, hit the like button and subscribe. Tell me the next fix you want to see.